Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this. I changed it and put the outline to the back, and it took away this rounded corner on these inside turns. So if that's what you want, and let's look at the difference. What I did, so the outline is behind the fill. Let's take that away, and now you see this rounded corner, and it's much thicker because our outline is thicker now. It's not, the outline's really the same, but the fill is inside of it. So we need to put it, if you like that, you need to put right here, put the fill behind the outline. And now your fill is thicker, but you've lost this corner. So while it's zoomed in, let's just take that away and look at the difference. Now you can make that line thinner just like it was and make it only, let's say 8 points. And it looks about the same, but you got a rounded corner. So one more time, we'll put it behind, and it's going to become thinner, and you're losing that rounded corner. So that's just something you want to think about what you like. And also, as always, you can press scale with object. Because if you don't do that and you wrote out epilogue real big, this way, when you scale it down, the lines are still going to be equally proportioned. Let's back up here and let's take that away. Let's take away scale with object. Let's zoom in here. Now let's make it smaller. And watch how much thicker our outline gets. So whenever you're drawing something, if you're not drawing it the size that you're going to end up with, you always want to scale with object. Check that right there. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.